Happy Wednesday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day. We do it together. Okay, let's take a couple deep breaths before we get into today's message. Follow me, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Say hi, say hello. Hello if you're new to me. My name's Lisa Puerto. I am known as Super Agent, international speaker, public educator, agent trader, creator and founder of Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, co-creator of the Spirit of Business mini-course with my sis, Rob Bay of Trail Alchemy, creator of the Property Owners EDU, author of Real Estate 100 book series, along with a plethora of other books, online courses, offline events, summits, conference, curriculums, on and on and on. And more importantly, a mother, a friend, a daughter, a granddaughter, a lover of the changing seasons. And with that, I say, I invite you to learn more and stay connected at lasuperagent.com. I am available on all your favorite social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube at LA Super Agent. Also, if you're on the professional side, check me out on LinkedIn. Same tag, uh, same handle, LA Super Agent. Okay, long day today. Today's the day off. If you hear some snoring, that means I'm recording next to Lathan, who is snoring right now, who's my son. And I wanted to share with you how I feel today. I feel, I don't know if I've used relieved already. I'm feeling at peace. Ooh, yes. I have had to process some decisions, and I've been at peace knowing I that it's okay not to manage everything all the time. And so there's tons of different things happening, and I'm learning to let go that I can't be in all these places all at the same time. And that was really nice for me today. I got to relax on the beach, put my feet in the sand. Literally, I think 1 hour before it started to rain. It did get a little cold, so I packed my stuff up and I was done for the day. With that being said, we're continuing our series from Shift Your Thinking, Dean Del Sesto's 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. And this show, by the way, or I should say this series, is a bonus on my feature channel or my feature show, Ready, Set, Real Estate, which I was excited for today, Wednesday. I was featured on ERGJ Enterprises platform, which he hosts Black Woman Wednesday, also the Black Money and Power Show, and also Black Wall Street. And so he's my friend and just my spiritual brother that has been rocking with me from day one that Super Agent debuted. And I really appreciate him for seeing value and seeing my continued efforts in bringing value to the community. With that being said, awesome show. Make sure you tune in on Ready Set Real Estate to hear that. And that is season 3, episode 13. Okay, with that being said, this segment we are going to be calling, this is going to be a good one, where we are going to say the gold is in working towards the goal. The gold is working towards the goal. I'm in a section where he says it's not the goal, but working on the goal that creates the value. I might just make that shorter. And I prefer shorter titles, so I'm going to recapture that one I'm going to recaption this one, and I'll get to it. I'll probably caption it the the true gold. Ha, there we go. He says working on goals may not be everyone's flavor. It was never mine, to be honest. He says I always migrated toward an organic approach to accomplishing things, but now that I've set a few goals, a few turned out and others didn't. He says I see goals in a whole new light. What I discovered is that there are personal and character growth qualities that exist in working on goals that are more powerful and rewarding in the long run than just about any other effort. He says the inherent qualities that are derived from the goal process even surpass the joy and reward of achieving the goal in the long run. I want to stop there real quick because this was a snippet of what I shared on the show today, which was I shared that everything that I've co-created and I continue to create, I'm failing forward. Why I say I'm failing forward is because every expert was once a beginner. Writing books, publishing books, selling books, speaking, uh, doing podcasts and doing shows and you know different aspects of real estate. I'm always learning, although I've been licensed 13 years as a professional. And it wasn't until the last 5 years that I've taken my career, well, I should say 6 years now, I've taken my career a lot more seriously. And that's because I truly became fired up about advocating for our community and really embodying what that meant to be as super agent. And so it's what I've learned about trademarking, copywriting, publishing, just how to format a book, how to use social media. I've only been on social media, you guys, for 3 years, so I couldn't do the 10-year challenge. I've only been on social media for 3 years, so I've learned how to be creative in my posts and my videos, and here I am, learning so much, and that has been the true gold for me because now I can share that with people. He says, he says, those who've accomplished goals know that the rush, the juice, and the adrenaline of completing them end quickly. Absolutely. Once I published a book, I go, woohoo, yay. But guess what? It's getting there. It was, you know, naming the company, filing the DBA, filing the this, and getting the bank account and the getting ordering the book cover and going back through edits, and that's just an example of one of the many things in terms of co-creating projects. Course creation, same thing, creating the videos, recording the videos, creating the PowerPoints, creating the presentations, and then you do the presentation, then it's over, right? He says what remains after the process of working on the goal is the real value. That's why I'm captioning this one the true goal. He says, I now know that the process of working on any goal is the gold of the goal itself. He says, starting the goal is your excitement and passion. Executing the goal becomes your teacher and wisdom. Drop in the comments, executing. He says, completing the goal becomes your confidence and character. The goal itself is perishable. It's tentative at best. Millions of goals that were accomplished no longer exist. The traits that come from working on a goal last a lifetime. Drop that in the comments, last a lifetime. And the qualities that we acquire through them make the next goal more predictable, attainable, and fulfilling. He says, I call it goal momentum. Go ahead and type that in the comments, goal momentum. And once in the flow, it's hard to stop. He says, start working on your goals so your goals can start working on you. I like that. With that being said, this is a very easy invitation today to think about start working on your goals, just one goal, and prioritize them. You don't have to start to knock out these goals because I have tons of goals. And just so you know, millionaires and multimillionaires have on average 5,000 goals that realistically they will not complete in their lifetime. And so I have a working goals list of about 200, and I count the very smallest thing to the biggest things. So I invite you to get started on your goals today. Love you.